All right. Okay, so we're all ready for today's lesson. Today's lesson includes us um, getting down to the nitty gritty and perfecting our skills in deploying to the web, to our website, which is here. And this is our current website. And this is our actual website on the internet. Anybody can go here and say, hey, this is our web, and hey, man, we saw our website. Hey, man, you want to see my website? Check it out. Go here. Boom. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I mean, it looks like crap now because we haven't done anything to it. We just uploaded the sample project that came with Visual Studio. Excuse me. Damn it. But it's pretty powerful stuff. Give me 1 second. God damn it. Okay, and the next one is we're gonna perfect our source control game. Our source control game was pretty strong last time, right? We were able to update our code, commit it, get latest, and and keep on doing that and get each other's changes. Today we're going to be doing that, and we're going to add one more step to that. We're going to be uploading our changes and deploying it to our live website. Okay. So I am going to ask you guys. This is our webpage here, and this is what it is. So now what we're going to do, we are going to, well, two things. Again, play with source control and update our website, our live website. So from our code, we're going to deploy in our website and do it to the website. So let's do that. I will be the first one to do something. Okay, so I will be the first one to deploy. But I need one of you to commit a change. Okay, so what I want you to do is on this page, on the index page, right? I want you to add your name. So do me a favor, Dave. On this page, say Dave is here or something, anything you want. Like Dave, the hardcore mofo's here, or anything you want under bad motherfuckers, and commit it to our repository.
Right.
Get on that right away. And we're going to be doing this in different ways, so don't worry. You're gonna be updating. Somebody else is going to be updating. You're going to be getting their changes, and it's going to be cool. But again, we have to do this so it becomes second nature. It has to be the flow. Remember, it's all about the flow. If you don't get the flow, if you don't understand the flow, then this is for nothing. The flow has to become natural. Okay, so Dave. So what I asked was that you update the index XML and probably add your name in here somewhere or something of that kind. Have you done that yet?
Go type in.
No worries. Should we be looking at your screen or you got this?
I got this.
Okay. I mean, I will be doing my commit soon so everybody can see it, but we're going to trust you now, and we trust that you got this. So this is good. Dan, at the same time, I want you to do the same thing, but do not commit.
All right. Refresh me. I'm going to put my name in there and.
That's it. Under
Okay.
on the bad motherfuckers, Just put your name in there somewhere, and do not commit though. Do not commit. Mm. But Dave can definitely commit. I want him to commit his changes.
Let's see.
Remember that the notes for this, how to commit, they're right now they're on the Gmail, the Google Doc. So always have your Google Doc open, or this variable. Well, always have variables.doc from the Google Doc open. It has the instructions on how to check in code, how to get the latest, and all that good stuff. And really, I should get the latest on top here. But you are.
Dave, you have access to that, right? You got the link from me
Which one?
for the variables document?
Yes.
The Google Doc,
Okay.
yeah.
Just making sure.
Yeah, that's important. It's good. Yeah, I mean, I always have this, and I'm the one that updates it, so I'm kind of cheating because I don't have the Google Doc one open. I have my local one. But you guys should have the Google one open because I try to update it. All right, Dave. So what's up?
Seems to be well.
Seems to be what? Lagging?
Yes, lagging.
No worries. Well, do you have a lot of stuff open?
Let me see. No, just 2 things open.
What kind of resource consumption do you see? Because you got to watch out because I had to turn off a couple of things on my laptop because there were a couple of things like automatic updating bullshit from Microsoft and a whole bunch of other shit. That was taking like 50% of my resources, which I'm like, what the fuck are you? You know, that's crazy.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, for me it's Chrome. Chrome is taking up like 6 gigabytes worth of data right now. It's
The
crazy.
hell? How?
Chrome goes nuts.
Close that. You don't need Chrome.
Hmm.
That's crazy. Well, open anyway. That is nuts. Let me see. How much does it take for mine? Yeah, it takes a lot for mine too, I think. Yeah, it takes 1.2. God damn. That is a lot.
Source control.
Yeah. Do you remember how to check in your changes? Remember? Right click and check in.
That is running. Come on, you push.
This is good, man. This is good. You see, putting the pressure on. Chop, chop, my friend.
Quickly, stop buffering.
This is good. This is good.
This bullshit.
No worries. No worries.
It makes me want to get files, but I can't get files.
Files? Oh, it's your. What is it? Your.
Internet.
Oh, is that what's low?
I think it is.
Well, you're not committing anything yet. Where is it? Do you do check-in? Not yet.
The hell?
Let's see. This is good. This is good, though. Wow, Visual Studio is not taking anything. Only 500. Chrome is taking 1200. That's crazy. Well, I got 14 tabs open.
I don't know if you've been following the GDPR stuff, but the amount of data going through your web browser today is just absolutely insane. It's the traffic data that they're following from like Europe and from America are completely different now. It's really bizarre.
Ooh. It's better in Europe. Less crap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Add a H3.
Oh, all right. So you added an H3.
Yes.
Okay.
And a block quote.
Okay.
H3 and blocks.
Did you commit it?
And I'm gonna check it in.
Yep, that's what it is. Check, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rub Shaker. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good song. It's called the Rub Shaker. All right, so you remember how to do that, right?
Yep.
Okay. By the way, this is a test. I got you guys. This is an exam. You guys are being
One thing I didn't
tested.
do is to check the previous version.
That's fine. That's fine. That you failed on that one, but it's okay.
Yeah.
It's all right. Always check. All right. So did you commit?
Yes.
Okay. You have committed, and did you put any comments?
Yes.
Okay.
I had
So
an H3 comment in the block quote.
okay. Well, a comment when you submit it. Did you type anything?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I did.
Okay. So here we go. So I'm gonna get the latest. Okay, getting the latest. I'm gonna go over here and say, hey, get latest version. Everybody look at my screen now. Okay, get latest version. Blip blip. Okay, all files are up to date. Are you sure that
The
you
hell?
committed? Let
Are
me
you
see.
committing to somebody else? Are you cheating on us?
No.
Yeah. Well, let's see. Let's go to the Solution Explorer. Remember the Source Control Explorer. And I can see all, let's check out, what is it? The history, view history. No, the last commit was 610. That was yesterday by
Oh yeah.
Dan. And he said that he did not do that. That works sometimes.
Oh, no
Okay.
files checking due to conflicting changes. Traces
Oh.
off. What the heck?
Did you
Oh.
have some other changes that you might have gotten in there?
No.
Oh, wait, no, he has to, because I think he changed something that,
Oh. Hold on. Let me see.
can we see your screen or you got this?
Oh, you can see the
Oh,
screen
yeah.
now.
Okay, so let's all see Dave's screen now. Okay, so no files checked in due to conflict changes. Resolve before you can. Okay, so, okay, now don't, wait. This is an extreme. Don't touch anything. This is a very good, okay, Dan, are you looking at your screen?
I am. I'm
Beautiful.
actually looking at your screen, and you're looking at his screen.
Okay, oh, perfect, even better. This is the perfect moment to practice this and learn this. This is the single biggest thing that you need to know about source control. It's called merging and conflicts. Because there will be times when somebody's going to do some changes that will change something that is already there. And the change is going to be so drastic that, well, normally when you update your code and you commit it, the machine, the server's smart enough to say like, oh, okay, I'm gonna merge this for you. I'm gonna be smart enough and see what changes you did, and I'm gonna see what the current one is, and I'm gonna do my best to merge them together in something that makes sense, right? Are you guys good with that? Okay. And then, so it tries the best to do it to merge it automatically, but sometimes there are changes that it doesn't know. It's like, hey man, this shit is too complicated. I don't know what you want me to do
Oh
here.
man, I see what's going on here.
What? Well, yeah.
He didn't get the latest version before he made his changes.
Right.
Oh yeah. You got to get that
Yeah.
latest. Okay. So well, you have two options here. You could merge changes with the merge tool, which is what we sort of need to get or do, or take server version. But for now, I just want you guys to look to see something though. I know you forgot something, but for now, click on merge changes and merge tool. Yes, say yes. Oh, okay, yeah, I see what you mean. That's gonna update it for you somewhat, I think. Okay, so now it did that. It's gonna open. Okay, blah 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 blah. Don't worry about that. Just close it. Say okay. Okay, now Um, which, okay, do you see that the left side and the right side?
Yes.
Which of this is the correct one?
The right side.
Okay, so now click on the right side, that square. Okay, blip. So now the bottom one is what the final one will look like. Now say accept merge on the top left.
Top left.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Slowly down, 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 down. Right there. Accept merge. Okay, so um wait. Let it. Okay, there you go. Now say get all conflicts. Click on get all conflicts. Okay, all the conflicts have been resolved. Now close that. Close that little. Hit the X on that. Beautiful. Click on that too. Just close those two. Okay. So no, well that's fine. Close that too. Yes. So have you checked in? See if you can check it in. Let's see if it lets you. Continue to check. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot, guys. Always get latest before you come in. I really should add that.
Please get latest.
Yeah. Do you check yes here? Mhm. Checking in. Oh, successfully checked in. Now, well, let's go back to my screen. Uh, so we're going back to my screen. And now I want to do two things. Before we continue, the first thing that we really should remember, and it's kind of a habit, always get latest first. Before, before submitting. Or before, I don't know, checking in. Well, not only that, so get latest first and make sure it compiles before checking in. What does that mean to you guys? Explain to me what that means. All right, Dan, what does those statements mean to you?
It means to make sure that you have the latest version that has been committed, that is in the system, that we're all going to run from.
Yes.
Yeah, and make sure it actually runs on your system. Make sure it's good before you do anything that might change it, because otherwise you're just going to revert. You're going to redo all those old settings and put in an advanced build that might lose some stuff.
Yes, yes. And also, I mean, this is important. Make sure it compiles. Do you guys know what I mean when I say make sure it compiles?
You have to run it.
Exactly. Run it. So each of you got something good here. Run the mofo.
Run it. Yes.
Run it. So make sure it runs, it compiles, run it, and then do the stuff that you need and check it in. Again, this is good. We're developing the flow. Remember, it's all about the flow of whatever we do. Okay. Okay. So now two things. Let me see. I'm checking the history for this. I'm viewing history. Oh, look at that. So David, he did it at 9:16, and he added H3 comment and a block quote. So now we know that was the latest. And personally, I do not have the latest yet. Like I'm looking at my file and I don't have the latest. So what is the okay? So I'm gonna get latest, like a good programmer, right? Get latest version. Bam! There you go. So Dave the Muffo is here. And honeypots are useless against this. Oh, I like that. Okay. I definitely like that quote. Oh, I may use it. Where's
What
that
is that
from?
from?
Yeah. Yeah, where's that from? Did you just make it up?
Yeah, it's because I saw Mr. Robot and they use a honeypot to try to stop him.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, yeah, yeah. That don't work.
No, it doesn't work against him.
No. Oh, talking about Mr. Robot, one of my best friend. Actually, do you remember Clarence?
Yes, I remember him.
Yeah, yeah. You know, Clarence is like super hardcore networking guy, right?
No way.
He's fucking as hardcore as you can get. He the other day he passed. Do you know the certified white hat hacking or what is it? What do they call that? Let me see. Let me check out the
I
picture.
heard black hat.
They have a certification for that?
Oh, dude, it's fucking hard. Yeah, yeah. It's the industrial grade one. Let me read it. Hold on. It's mm, mm, mm. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. God damn it. I almost have it here. Yeah, he passed it. I think it was last week, and he's a CCIE also. He's a Cisco certified guy. Well, he's like the hardest one from Cisco, which is really hard and stuff.
That's tough stuff.
Yeah, yeah, he's got the highest tier pretty much. You get a cool number when you pass it, I think. Okay, here it is. Yeah, certified ethical hacker. He passed that I think last week or 2 weeks ago. Yeah, certified ethical hacker. He got the certification for that. Oh yeah, no, he's
That,
doing some hardcore shit.
that totally sounds fake, by the way.
No, no, it's in order to take it, you need to kind of you can't just like not anybody can take it. Like your company has to vouch for you that you can that you can't take the exam or that you should, and the exam itself it's hard as fuck as well. So
I'm adding that to my list. That's a funny
oh yeah,
phrase.
yeah,
Certified ethical hacker.
yeah, yeah. Oh, let's see.
Certified ethical hacker.
Certified ethical hacker. Well, let's see what it is. I don't know. Oh, certified ethical hacker is a qualification obtained by assessing the security of computer system using penetration testing techniques. The code for the CEH exam is, and the certification is in version 10 as of April 20. Yeah, there it is. Blip.
The salary must be off the chain then.
Yeah, he's doing. Oh, what is CEH certification salary or something?
Oh, it's not though, but the high end.
Oh yeah, yeah, no. Well, I'm pretty sure he's
If you
making
got
more
all
than
those,
that.
all those other qualifications help to get to that high end.
Yeah, no. By the time you take it, I'm pretty sure you're already there, because he's already doing like pretty well with the Cisco stuff.
My stepfather was a server manager. He worked out in Philly for a company that does stuff worldwide, and he was making close to 100. And he was like, "This job is easy."
Yeah, no, it all depends. Yeah, it all depends on what you're in there. It's not bad. It all depends on the field too, so it's not that bad.
It did come with its share of bullshit, and he eventually got out. But it was pretty amazing when it was good.
Oh no, it is. I mean, also as a developer, that's it is not that bad to get that. It's not as hard, I don't think. And networking stuff. But yeah, where he's doing that. Once you get up to certain, what's really good also. A friend of mine, if you get into the right technology in the right place doing network stuff, you could kill it. Like seriously kill it. It's so stupid. But you got to get your foot in the door. Una agua, doña. Una limonada ahí. Get some water. But anyway. But yeah, it's pretty stupid. It's sometimes the money in some of those places it's ridiculous. Okay, so continuing. I got the latest here, right?
Yes.
And this is it. I got the latest. So what's the next thing I need to do? I got your changes. There you go. So I'm going to build it. I'm going to build it. Building it is enough. And you have to make sure that you get, ooh, yes. You have to make sure that you get, okay, did it succeed?
It did.
Succeeded, 0 failed, 0 up to date, 0 skip.
Yes. Okay. So we are good. We have succeeded. So I know, so I got the latest. This is good here. So now I want to update the code on our server, on our web server, or our live website. You call me up, it's like, man, I made some sweet updates to the website. I'm busy. Can you go ahead and commit those changes, deploy for me? Let's call it deployment. Deploy for me. And I say, yeah, man, I got you. And I got you, so therefore I will deploy those changes for you. Okay, so I'm going to do deployment, I guess, web deployment. There are all sorts of ways to deploy to the server. Since we have the cloud, ours is kind of easy. We will be learning other ways to deploy. To deploy, but really, once you set it up, it's going to be the same thing that we're about to do. So don't think too much of it. All right. I will show you the hard way and what you should know about it, and show you the files and whatnot. But overall, once you have it set up, you will need to do that ever again once you set it up correctly. So deploy your code to the web. We use Azure apps. So deploy to there.
Does that mean we need to download an app for the studio?
Nah, we remember where we created it before on the cloud?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're just called apps. I don't know why they call apps. Well, they're hosting applications, but that's what they're called.
They're not programs anymore. Everyone calls them apps.
Yeah, it's weird.
Welcome to the mobile world.
Yes, yeah. Okay, so now, well, it does make sense, I guess. So here we are. So I got the latest. I'm going to deploy for you. So I'm going to do this once. I need you guys to pay attention. I have done it before. But, well, if you guys have paid attention, how do I deploy to the server, to the cloud?
I don't remember. I'm trying
Aha, you guys
to
suck.
find it.
You guys suck. Okay, I'm going to build and publish cloud test. So build, publish. So go to build, then publish. Well, whatever name it is. Project name. There you go. So I'm going to go to build, publish, and since I already set it up, this is our web deployment. Basically, I already set it up on our previous session. Remember, our web server is called HM Code Camp. I sent you guys that information, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to hit publish. So when I hit publish, what it's going to do is going to compile all the code, turn it into DLLs, package it into a cool package, including all my files, all my images, all my CSS, all my HTML, and it's going to upload it through some kind of FTP or I don't know, HTTP or something, and it's going to put it on the website for us. And it's going to set all the cool permissions and all that cool stuff. And it's doing that right now. Boom, look at that. So now this is our website live. right now. Look at this. So I have just let's see. Yeah, this Dave the Bad Mofo is here, and honeypots are useless for us. And he did that. This was the right here. He did that with the H3 and the block quote. You see, he's getting fancy now, which is good. Get fancy. Yeah, no, this is good. This is good. Get fancy.
Wait until I start using CSS.
Yeah, no, we're getting we're about to. We're gonna get crazy with the cheese whiz soon. So no worries. So here we go. Um, and yeah, so that's good. So now we feel comfortable with this. How comfortable do you feel about what we just did? I got new code from the repository. I compiled that code, made sure it was all right, and then I did it. I uploaded or deployed our code to our server, to our live server, where it could be seen by the whole world, which is sweet. Okay, so now, Dan, I want you to do the same thing. Make a change to this index and commit it.
Do you want me to get the latest change?
Yep, always.
Okay, because I already wrote it all in, but I'm going to lose it, right?
Well, no, it's gonna merge it for you, or it should. It's gonna. It might ask you the same thing that it asked Dave.
Okay. So in other words, I'm not going to download the latest version.
Yeah. Get it.
Okay. I'm a little confused how that's going to work. I'll try it.
Yeah, no, you don't get it. You'll see. Let me see. Can we see yours?
Give me one moment. I'll open that up.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little convoluted trying to get this thing to work.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, the sharing of the image. You don't need to. Don't worry about it. I mean, we should be good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, first of all, get latest and see what happens, because it might just do it automatically for you. Let's see. Yeah, I think you guys should. This is good because this is a good exercise, so you can get used to seeing what a conflict looks like. Were you able to get the latest?
No, I'm actually trying to find it. Do I need to be in the Team Explorer or the Solution Explorer?
Oh, Solution Explorer. Then click on the solution at the top most in the tree.
I wasn't clicking. All right.
Yeah, and then get latest recursive. Yeah, all the Solution Explorer, and then get latest on that.
Oh yeah, look at that. There's conflicting content changes in the local and the server version.
Beautiful. Do you remember how to fix that?
Hit merge.
Well, it said merge on. Yes. Yeah, hit merge. Let's see.
I got an error.
Which error?
An exception has been encountered. This might be caused by an extension.
Oh no, just close that. Don't worry. I think Dave got the same thing.
All right, it's giving me 3 different results here. It looks like it's going to get rid of both my and Dave's changes.
You could choose which one. I think. Let's see. Which one did you choose? Merge. On which merge?
I'm not sure what you mean. Which merge?
Let's see. Well, actually, on top there, does it say take local version or take server version?
I don't see either of those.
It's like if you hover through one of the buttons, it should like give you an option.
I'm not sure what buttons you're talking about. Give me a moment. I'll set up my screen share.
Yeah. Let's see. Damn, my friend is at EA Play at E3. God damn it.
Wow.
She's dressed up as Commander Shepard or something. Let's see.
Nice.
Oh my god. Oh, she's playing Anthem.
What?
God damn it. She's like interviewer. This is great. Oh my goodness. They have a ball pit. Bullshit. Oh, is that you, Dan?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, so I'm looking at your screen now. There you go. I see. Okay, I see a whole bunch of stuff here. Okay, so now, let's see. Yes, so this is what we were seeing before. You see, the left screen is yours. The right screen, I think, is. Oh no, actually no. The left one is server. You see the left one?
Yeah.
Server. The right one is your right, like your changes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, which of these do you want to go through?
I mean, I want to keep my stuff, but I didn't
Okay.
necessarily want to get rid of his.
Okay, no problem. Now click on yours. Click on yours. Go ahead.
I did.
No, I'm sorry. Click on the little block, the little square on the left side. Yeah. There you go. Okay, now click on his.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Now I understand. Oh, that's nice.
It's very powerful. It is extremely powerful.
Wow.
So you can, this is how you merge other people's changes into your code. I mean, sometimes it's not going to come out perfect, and you could have to like finagle it after you download and you merge. But most of the time, it works. It does okay. Was that the only changes? Since they accept merge on the top left, right there. I need to put that in the notes as well. And now I think that you can try to commit your changes. Let me see, merges. To merge code.
All right.
Yeah, don't forget.
Just an interesting thought.
Yeah.
We have different home controllers. Are we adding new characters every time too?
No, we don't have we don't have different home controllers. We have the same. Which home controllers do you have? Let me see.
I'm sorry, did you lose me?
Oh yeah, I think so. No, I see you now. I think. Yeah. Which is your home controller? What does it say? Conan, right?
Yeah, I forget that we haven't actually changed it.
No.
The revision control is confusing me. I need to get used to it, that's all.
Well, Well, no, that's the power of revision control, because I mean, version control is that whenever we get latest, we all have the same version. Whoever committed. So I have Conan too, and so does Dave, because we're keeping the same version going at the same time, which is the cool stuff. Okay, so have you committed, sir? I'm gonna check.
I checked in. I should.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over here on the Source Control Explorer, and I'm gonna check out the history, view history. And let's see, Dan at 9:38, he added Dan and Dan quote. Okay, so he's in there. So what I'm going to do is I am gonna go into my Solution Explorer, and I'm gonna click on the top project here of the tree, and I am going to get the latest version, and see, I got the latest. Boom. All right, Dan is a bad motherfucker right here. Okay, the end of the war was his surrender. War. Oh, okay. So that war, since the robot was 3 billion years old. Damn. Wait, who's the robot? That's crazy.
It was from the Illuminatus trilogy.
3 billion? The which one? Luminatus?
Illuminatus trilogy, yeah.
Oh, damn, that sounds good. 3 billion. It's like Dune. Got all the robots in there too.
More like your built-in programming.
Oh shit. Wait, programming? What? Sorry. Okay, so all right, so I got the latest. Sorry. And I'm gonna build. Well, what am I supposed to do after I get the latest?
We need to
Gotta build it.
Yes.
Yeah. Run it or build it to make sure that build succeed. To make sure that what we downloaded didn't break our build, right? And now, well, I'm gonna run it locally just to see what happens, right? I'm gonna run locally to see if it's not totally broken and if it's fine. Because just because it compiles doesn't mean that it won't break visually or something. Boom. Okay, so locally, this is what we're looking at. Nice. So we got here, we got Dan, and we got Dave. And we got this twice here, but that's fine. Okay, so now it worked. Well, I mean, we have this twice here, I guess. So I think we could just do away with this, I guess. See, I'll just leave it for now. Okay, so now I'm going to update our website. Okay, so I get a call from you guys. Okay, do you guys do your changes? Do you guys commit your changes, all of the work we're doing? You got to say yes. Okay, good. So have you guys committed?
You're popping.
Oh, let me reshare. Sorry. That tends to happen after a while. Let me unshare. And then let me... Okay. Yeah, that happens sometimes. I don't know if it's sharing. Okay, so I got a call from you guys, and you told me you committed the latest code, and so I'm ready. What I'm going to do is I am going to update the website. I'm going to deploy. How do I deploy? You guys remember?
Build, publish.
That's right. Build and publish. Since I already have it set up, all I need to do is publish. Look at that. So I'm going to publish. Again, it's very important for us to do this where it becomes second nature. That way we don't waste any time later on. So when I say, hey, publish, get latest publish, or get this latest publish, or get this and publish, we understand it and we go balls out. We no time wasted. Oh yeah. Boom, look at that. So Dan is a bad motherfucker and Dave is a bad mofo here. So now we got two mofos, bad mofos here. That's pretty sweet. That is very, very sweet. Okay. So, um, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. And again, our code is now on the latest version of the website. So that's pretty nice. How comfortable do you guys feel with this? Is it legit? Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna do it 2 more times. Yeah, because remember this is a silker jerk. Only one of us has gotten jerked so far. So you guys need to get jerked too. All right.
Gee
So
whiz.
so be ready. Okay. So well, it got to do it. So now the next in line is gonna be Dan. Okay, Dan. I am going to make an update to the website, and I'm gonna update it. I don't know, commit it, and then you're gonna get it and deploy it. All right.
All right.
Okay, so I am gonna go over here. Well, I'm gonna do an update here because we don't need this here. Mm, mm, we have this twice, and we only need it once. So this is a good change. And I guess I will put myself over here. I really should. Oh, we're using Jumbotron too. Nice. I'm gonna be cool. Let me see. Even the canvas. I'm gonna do a canvas here. Yeah. Now let's keep it jiggy. And I'm gonna do H3. And then say, hey, Caesar is here too. Where the white women at? Women at? Okay. So well, this is the first one here. This is the first change. So I'm happy with this for now. And I am gonna go ahead and check it in. I did get the latest already. So I'm gonna check it in. Remember, every group programmer has to put a comment in. Where the white women at update. And I am looking what what was different. What were the changes compared with workspace version? So I see that this was eliminated. These 2 lines, which is good, and this line was added here. So I'm happy with that. So I am gonna check it in. Blip. Change 12 successfully. So then I need you, we're going to look at your screen, share your screen, and I need you to get the latest. Get latest and deploy to the server. Okay.
Looks like it's working.
You are being judged harshly here, so yeah, you're being tested. You're being graded. Let's see. Lose 5 shekels.
Is it
for
taking
every
time?
I don't know. Well, I don't think you did it. Did you do it?
I did do it.
Oh, okay. Oh, what did it say?
It says replace.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's done then, right? No? I think it already happened. Well,
Man, that's fast. 11 changes.
well,
Oh,
look.
change set 11.
Wait, what?
Change set 11. Which one are we on?
12.
Okay.
Well, all you need to do is just go to index page and see what you have there.
I could.
Yeah. You could keep that open whenever you want, I think. But yeah, check out the index. All right. There you go. Caesar is here too. Where the white women at? Okay, so you got the latest.
Cool.
You know you could keep those tabs open, right? Whenever you want.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm trying to get used to not having open all the time.
All right. No, no worries, no worries. So you got the latest, man. So you just got the latest. What's the next thing you got to do?
I want to commit it to the. I'm sorry. Build it and put it in our actual web page.
Failed, my friend. Failed.
Womp womp.
You just got the latest. So what is the next thing? That's the first thing you got to do. You got somebody else's code. You don't know what
I
that
gotta
person's
check it.
code
I gotta
is
check
gonna
it.
do to you. Somebody could have just messed up all your code or like messed up everything on the server. So you have to make sure it compiles and it runs.
Yeah.
So how do you do that?
I'm gonna run it.
Well, you could run it, yeah, or build it. Yeah, go ahead, run it. Running is good.
You didn't want us to build it.
No, I said build it, yeah. Well, it's running now, yeah. It's building it or running it. No, but you didn't say build it, you say deploy it.
You're right.
No, ha. Gotta do it with steps, my friend, by steps. These things will save you money and time and grief. You have to get used to it. As a developer, these are the steps you have to take. No shortcuts. Oh, and also, you might want to kill those diagnostics. Those can kill your machine.
Yeah, I don't know why they keep turning on.
It's like, there you go. So now it's trying to be in run, and if it runs, then something will come up and see what it is. All right, am I in there? There you go. Okay, so the latest change is there. Go ahead, you could kill that, I think, or close it. Okay, but just in case though, build it. That way you are used to building it. Good. It build solution. Go ahead. And make sure that it says build succeeded. Did it say build succeeded? It did. Okay, is at the bottom left. Okay, so now that we know that it worked, um, go ahead and put it on the cloud.
So it said it did not succeed. That's because I already ran it and had built it to do that.
Mm, it did succeed, isn't it? Or
It says 0 succeed.
I think build one, succeed one. No, oh, I'm not sure. I saw the succeed message on the
One
bottom.
is already up to date.
Weird. Well, let's see. We will see if it succeeded here or not. Well, it did succeed because it came up. But yeah, that's weird. Okay. It's going to take a little bit depending on how you have it set up. Did the publish window come up yet?
I haven't had any windows come up yet.
Oh, okay. Do you have a lot of things open? Or maybe it came up already somewhere
Oh man,
else?
I always have a lot of things open.
Oh, damn. Yeah, let me see. See if it's in another window or somewhere. Cloud test, nah. No, I think it's just slow, maybe.
It put this up, but this is not update.
Oh, okay, no, it's working. Oh, that's weird. It's doing it if it's working, but I think you might have pressed it already. Did you press publish? You haven't, right?
I did.
Oh, you did. Okay, no, it takes a while. Don't worry.
It's I don't know if you can see the circle, my mouse.
Mm-hmm.
As well, the program actually froze for a little bit. It all got out. I don't know if you see that either. Hey, look at that.
Oh wow.
Oh man,
I think
the
it
screen
opened.
is freaking out.
I think yeah, you have like that's trying to open. Yeah, just close that. Or yeah. Oh wow. What kind of stuff do you have going on here? You're right.
I'm looking at your screen.
Yeah, it's crazy.
This is my new screensaver.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, that can get crazy. All right. Well, so let's assume that. Well, did it? I'm gonna check the website to see if it updated. Let's see. I am gonna. Well, that's fast. The website has not been updated. No. Hmm. Okay, so let's see. See, this is good. This is what we need to do. This is
Oh, it
important.
just popped up.
Okay. Which one
Oh no, that's not. Why
what
did it do that?
was that? Was that? Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. This is you right here. Hmm.
I'm a little confused.
Yeah, that is it. Why is it opening all these things? Is that the one you want? You only have one open, right?
Yeah, that's the only one.
Okay. So yeah, you only have one. Yes. So go ahead. You might want to yeah put that as a full screen maybe. That way. There you go. Close that tab because it confuses things. Yeah. Okay. Now deploy it. Try to deploy it again. Publish. Okay. So then hit publish. There you go. Ah, okay, there we go.
This is further than I got before.
Okay, yeah, no, this is good. This is good. This is very good. Do you remember the password?
Uh, hardware. I don't have it. No, I don't remember it.
Do you have a phone or something that you can look at or something else?
I got Facebook. I gotta look you up.
All right. Yeah, maybe look at it in your phone or something. See, that's why this is good. This is good. You guys got to be prepared, my friend. You guys are not prepared. You are not prepared, fellas. Preparation is key. Oh, man, this water's good. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Let's see. Are you good? Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so it asks you for your password. Again, also, this is very important because once we set this up, I can count on you being able to do the do. And that way we don't get stuck. I don't want anybody getting stuck. Everybody has to be on point at all times. All right. So did that password work? Is it doing anything?
It appears to be working. I don't know if
Okay,
it's.
no, no, it's doing the do. It's doing the do. So what it's doing now, it's copying everything. And oh, okay, what did it give you?
A diagnostic.
All right. Excuse me, just close that. No, don't open it. Just close it, I guess. Okay.
I'm gonna guess that I didn't have user unauthorized. I used the wrong password.
Okay.
Or hold on.
Preparation, my friends. Yeah.
Is the username correct? Is that
Uh, let me see. Yeah, it should be. HM Code Camp, correct? Mm-hmm.
yeah?
Let's see. Um, well, I could tell you, but then I need to change the password. Well, let's see. It will
I'm gonna
tell
try
us.
it.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh man, I already screwed up.
What happened? Is it wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It's good. Dave, make sure you're getting that password ready for later if you need to use it. The password for here. Okay, so let's see. Mm, oh,
Let's see.
encounter an error.
It's the same error.
Okay.
Is it because of my account?
Yeah, not sure. Oh, which account are you in?
I'm a Gmail account, but it had an issue, and I was gonna wait to solve it until after class because it's gonna be a minute. But I'm not connected to their little network.
Wouldn't think so. I mean, as long as you have this, you should be fine. This is a URL. Um, might be the password. I don't know. Well, let me see what I have here.
I was gonna say, are you in Facebook?
It, it
I can
could
message
be.
you.
Um, yeah. Give me 1 second. I'm just checking something. Actions. Yeah. HM. Yeah. HM Code Camp Web Deploy. And then site URL, HM Code Camp, edit app service, resource group. You have all these things, right? You have our resource group and all that good stuff. All right. Well, yeah, on Facebook, send me what it is.
I did.
Let me see. Yeah, that is correct. Let me see. And you're, well, I see that you're copying and pasting. Have you tried typing it? Because sometimes the password is weird.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Any
that.
moment, I'll do that.
Hmm. Again, this is really good to counter any problems and fix them too, because obviously we did not foresee this. And that is, you got the correct password and everything.
It looks like it started.
Let's see.
No.
Oh, well, again, what's a diagnostic? User.
User error unauthorized.
All right. Maybe I need to give you guys authorization or something. I don't know. All right. Anyway, that's fine. We will address this one soon. Now, moving on to Dave. Let's see if Dave has the same problem. Dave, what's up? Are you there, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so now do me a favor. Oh, are you doing it?
Yeah. I tried doing it 10 times over.
Oh,
Doesn't
shit.
work.
Okay, no, this is good. So this is where we will count any problems that we have or that we may have. Because, well, first of all, go back, try to do it in front of me again. Sorry. Uh, no, don't do that. No. Go to build.
Good.
Yeah, just making sure. Publish cloud test. Just making sure. I know it's the same thing. Okay, now, wait. HM Code Camp, web deploy. Um, you have different things, but okay, yeah, hit it.
Good.
Publish. That's weird. Why do you have a dollar sign?
Yeah, I had that too. I thought it was just part of the normal login string.
Yeah, I don't think you need a dollar sign for it. Let me see. Okay. User unauthorized. Cloud test with percent. Hmm. And yeah, that was just without it, right? Okay, no, this is good. This is great. And when you hit OK, you don't get it. And
Okay.
no, that's fine. I think I may need to add you to it because I added you on the source control, but I don't think I've added you on the web part. I think so. I need to mess around with that and check it out. Let me see. So this is Cloud Test, HM Code Camp. Yeah, I think I may. And I am, who am I under here? Let me see, app service settings. Give me 1 second. Again, this is good because, yeah, that's fine. We find out any kind of, configure. Yeah, we got to find out how it's working for me and not for you. I'm pretty sure some kind of setting or something. So I have DV code camp signed in. No, that really shouldn't be. That has nothing to do with it. What if I say new profile? All right. Let's try this. Okay, ready? Okay.
Ready.
Okay, Dave, hit new profile. I'm looking at Dave for now. So, new profile, app service. Select existing. Hit publish. Don't touch anything for a little bit. Okay, let it load. Okay, on the resource group, see what we have down there. Resource group. Oh. All right. Does it anything show under that? No, right? No, just go back to resource group. Okay, go to search. Anything on the search bar?
Nope.
Okay. So click on that drop down for Microsoft account.
This one?
Yeah, just don't click. Yeah, wait. Mm-hmm. Okay, David Y. David W. Yep. I think I have to add you guys to it on the service itself, which is good. Um, okay, so now let's see what it looks like on mine. So you see what it looks like on yours, right? Well, let's check out what it looks like on Dan. Are you there, Dan?
I'm still here.
Okay, so now do me a favor, hit there, hit that new profile, app service, select existing, publish.
Publish?
Yeah. Okay, so wait, host your web. You need to be signed in with a Sure account to create a new app service. No. Already have an account? Yeah, sign in.
That's what I couldn't do. That's gonna take me a minute.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to work on that now.
Yeah, in the meantime.
Basically, I use a bunch of password managers because it gets to be a real pain in the ass. And I forgot what password I ended up using for this.
All right. Actually, I think it's just easier to create a new account for this. Less, I don't know. Well, first of all, let me see what I get because I get something else. App service, select existing, publish. Yeah, there you go. HM code camp. So I can see the resource, but you guys cannot. But I am using the account. So I need to either add you guys or let you use this account, I think. So give me 1 second. Let me see which one is best. Again, this is really good stuff. Let me see. I think I was using Edge. To access this thing, sure. Portal. I hope this remembers. I don't. Oh, okay. Flip. Beautiful. Okay, so app service. credit remaining. Fuck yeah. I gotta make sure. Okay, so access control. Oh, look at this. I think I need to give you guys access to this. Are you guys seeing my screen?
Yes.
So select a role. I'm gonna give you contributor, I guess. No, website contributor. I don't know. I'll just give you guys owner or something. Screw it. Owner, select. Okay, so Dave, what is your David W? Yep. At gmail.com. Okay. This user will be sent an email that enables them to collaborate with default directory. So there you go. Save. Do me a favor. Check your mail. And oh, did you just check it right away?
Huh?
Good man, good man. So now do me a favor, right? Try to do the same thing that you did before.
Let's see.
Yeah. Well, no, close that. Close everything. Close that. Kill that. Kill that. Cancel that. Kill that page. Well, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Kill that. Okay, now, go ahead. Build and deploy. Publish. Well, I wanted to create a new one, but go ahead, try it. See if it works. Remember, we're working this out, trying to figure it out. Yeah, we might need to create a second one, but we'll see. Hopefully this works. All right, no problem, no problem. Click create. No, wait, no. Create new profile. Yeah. Create. Select existing. Now publish. Loading. All right. I think you need to go to your Gmail and see if you have anything. If you have yeah. Because I think you need to
Invite it.
Yeah. Okay, default directory. All right, just hit get started. All right. I mean, you should be able to access this, I think. Deployment credentials. Yeah, it's fine. Deployment center, application settings. Yeah, I think we should be fine. All right.
So I'm trying to, it's asking for me to connect my Azure account. I seem to have one. I'm logged into the portal. But Visual Studio is having an issue. So I'm actually updating it right now, but I'm hoping it'll connect because I can't seem to get my password from the Azure portal to confirm it. But
Yeah,
I'm now logged into Visual Studio, so that's not a problem.
all right. Let's see. Also, Dave, you're logged into Visual Studio, right? In your
Yes.
with your account. Yeah, you are. That is really, yeah, select. Subscription, drop down the subscription. See if you have anything in the subscription. Web app, no. Okay, go to source. Oh wait, that's the one right there. Yes, there you go.
Okay.
Oh, it was in the free trial. No, yeah, just do HM code camp. That. Well, just click on that and say okay. Oh, we have different. Okay, now publish. Oh, so it was the profile, I think. Oh, let's hope it works. Work, baby. Please work. Okay, so if it works, it's going to open up the website and they will reflect the new changes. You did get the latest changes, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, I did.
so this is good. Yeah, so what we were doing wrong is it was asking you for what kind of subscription you were looking for. And actually, we should have known that. We have the free one. And then it looks under the free one, the trial ones. So this is good. This is good. Cross your fingers, man. Cross your fingers. You see, this is all the stuff over here that we need. Okay. All right. In the meantime, well, let me know when or if it publishes. Okay. Okay. So then I need to add you to the group as well. That's so I am gonna add. I'm gonna put you as owner. Uh, what's your account name? Sorry. Tridine. Dan, are you there?
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. Yeah. TRIANINE @gmail.com.
INEINE. Like that? Like trianine?
Yeah, if you think of trias, they're markers, and the number 9. It's easy.
Oh, I didn't know it was some kind of marker. Okay, yeah, so trianine. Okay, so I'm about to send you something. And actually I don't think you even need to accept it. Boom, there you go. You are now in the group. So now you have access to this resource.
I'm looking at Dave's screen, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Okay, I wasn't getting updates. I was like, why is it not changing?
Mhm. Okay, so Dave, it's still depending on your machine and your internet connection. Yeah, depending on your machine and your internet connection, it might be slow or it might be fast, but it's working. Do you see those? Excuse me, those files that it's saying updating file. Those
Yeah.
it's sending it over to over the internet and it's deploying them. So it's gonna take a little bit of time sometimes, but this is good though. This is good. Now, Dan, let me see where you're at. Are you installing some or opening?
Yeah, I'm installing the newest version because sometimes that'll give us problems, like it won't connect.
No worries.
And it needed to be done. So.
All right, yeah. Oh yeah, well we're missing two things there, by the way. I had to add you guys your email so you can actually have access and permission to deploy to our website. And number two is you have to choose free trial when you're trying to deploy.
Okay.
To what kind of account? Because it asks you, hey, what kind of account do you want to go to? You want to go to this one, so go to that one. And you have to create a new one, I think, just to be sure. So let me know when you're there. And let's see.
I did accept the email, the invitation. It sent me to basically a blank page.
Yeah, no, that's fine. It adds you automatically. I already have it here, so you should be good.
Oh
Okay.
man, how many Windows accounts do I need to do all? I have like 4 of them now, just with Microsoft, just to work with all this.
Really? Just need one, I think.
I mean, the Microsoft account seems to manage the others, but
Mhm.
on the Azure portal, it has a different account with a different password, and this Active Directory thing that we just did seems to register me as a different user.
That's weird. The Gmail. Yeah, I haven't. Mm,
Like all the accounts seem to be the same, but they're different accounts. They're independent of each other.
well, do you mean the database versus the web versus the portal? Well, yeah, they're very different. Yeah, because different kind of servers.
It works. It works.
Yeah. Oh, it works. Let
Yes.
me see. Oh, there you
Season
go.
2. We're
Yes.
That's the latest one.
Okay, so now you could safely say that you can get the latest code or update it, get the latest, or update your code, update the repository, get it, and update our website. You could say that, right?
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful. So you got the flow. You got the flow. Okay. So now that Dan, how you doing over there? Where you at? Uh, are you able to
I
get
am
to?
still installing. Oh, finishing up 100%.
All right. Do you need to re-download and remap again, or not sure?
I mean, since we updated it, I probably would.
Mhm. All right, no worries. Just make sure though, since we might not have enough time, that you can. I already added you. I added your account to being able to deploy to the server, to our web server. Uh, let's see, and so whenever create a new profile when you're gonna deploy, and choose free trial, then you should see our group is called our resource or our resource group. That is the one that you're gonna deploy to. It's called our resource group, and hardcore mofos or something like that. I'm gonna let me see. Did I source control? Well, so to merge web deployment. There you go. Build, publish. I'm gonna update it with what is it? Account type or something? Is it account type or something? Free trial. Our resource group. And what did we call our resource group? It's like HM Code Camp or something, I think it is. That is our resource group right there. Okay. Oh, all right. So there you go. Did you have to redeploy? I mean, like rebap?
No, it seems to all come back.
Beautiful. Okay, so don't no, don't probably say new profile. Right here. Now, there you go. Now, okay. No, no, yep. Um, did it go here? That is weird. Wait, go. No, you already have it. I think close that. Yeah, always give it a minute to load. I think.
Okay.
Yeah, because it gotta take it easy sometimes. So free trial. There you go. No, just the blue one. Just do the blue one. And okay, there you go. Yeah, you got to take it easy. You got to slow down a bit. And then if that works, then let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're not crashing yet. Oh, okay.
Cool.
Yeah, so that means that it's somewhat working, and I guess it's copying stuff, I guess, or
I
publishing.
mean, it's a redundant build. It should be exactly the same
Oh,
as the
god
one
damn it!
David published.
Yeah,
What?
fuck yeah, that is nice. I think it's more than enough to know that, right? You think so? Shit, it is.
It seemed to do it anyway. It didn't say that it already existed or that it skipped.
Yeah, I just said published successfully, I think. Nice, nice. Okay, so now, this is good, man. This is good. So now, both of you, do you feel comfortable? Um, Now we have access. Again, this is extremely good for us to do because work out any bugs or anything with what we might have forgotten that we don't know how it worked out. Um, this is great. This is very good. Um, so now, both of you, do you feel comfortable with how we are sharing data, getting the latest, sharing our code with the repository? Well, first of all, you feel comfortable with that. You guys are repository pros now. From 1 to 10.
Yeah.
From 1 to 10, what do you think?
Do
Yes?
it a couple more times. The same exact thing will be a 10.
Okay, good, good. So you guys are about 8s right now, right?
Yeah, around there.
Okay. Um, and how about deployment? Deployment, how good deployment is? What do you guys feel about deployment?
Feeling good now. Now we got it running.
Well, like I said, I mean the kind of the bullshit or pain in the ass part is setting up the deployment, the initial brunt. But once you set it up, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just press a button, right?
Yeah.
And then it kind of does everything by itself. But the initial setup, it's bullshit, and sometimes it's a pain in the ass. But once you get that going, it's really good. But yes. So one more time. One more time. Okay. So let's say somebody got pissed off and they're like, man, I don't like that message on there that says where the white women at, right? So they complain. So now I'm gonna go. I'm sorry, sir. I'm gonna update it. So then I'm gonna update and say where the white women at, motherfucker. Let's see. There you go. So now I feel better about it. I don't care how they feel about it, but I feel better. So then I will update this. I'm gonna check it in. Improved message. It is an improvement. I check against the workspace. There you go. That's a good improvement there. And there it is. This is the file. It tells me, where the file is and what the file is. So I'm gonna check it in, and then it says boom, successful. So who was the last one that? Let's see. So Dan, it is your turn, my friend, because I don't think you did like a new change. So go ahead, sir.
A new change?
Well, I mean the change that you roll out didn't really do anything. So update the website with this.
Oh, I got you. I got you.
We want to see the new goods. Do here. Should we check you out, or let's see, who is it? Oh yeah, there you go.
I need to get your changes first.
That's right. We're you're under pressure, my friend. So how do you get wrong? I'm like Trump now. Wrong. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Get latest. Remember, guys, always it's the solution. The solution. Well, yeah, the solution tree. So getting latest. I
So
think you.
here's,
Yeah, I think you got the
yeah, I
latest.
did that on purpose because it keeps on dropping me from the server, which is weird.
Keeps on kicking you out.
Yeah, from the database. Every time I click on it, it goes back, but it's like, the database is gone.
It's weird. It's fine. Okay, so, uh,
So
so you could
our
do.
publish succeeded.
Well, did you got the latest? There you go. Yeah. So you mean you got the latest?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you build it to make sure that that it did?
What am I doing?
Not sure. Well, no, you're looking at the versions.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, it's the first folder. No, the first one with this is Cloud Project. There you go, because that's what you're trying to see.
Yeah, there's nothing showing up.
Well, you got to right click. You right click it. There you go, and view history. Well, any reason you're viewing history?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. The sound chopped.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, there you go.
Well, that is the server version, and yeah, that's the server. And do you have the latest?
I tried to get the latest.
Okay. But do you have it?
Yes.
Okay, good, good, good. So you just got the latest. So what do you do?
Now we're gonna build.
Yep. Go ahead. All right. Let's see. Build started. It's building.
And we're good.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so we're good. So now that we're good, what are we gonna do?
I'm gonna publish.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, that was an affirmative, right?
Yes. Yep. There you go. Okay, so you guys should have the profile already set and ready to go. Let's see, since, okay, there we go. Bloom, okay, that was fast. Well, let's see. Oh, no, it's still loading. So now it opened the web browser, so that means that it's working up, updating and uploading the files. Once it finishes updating the files and uploading, it should, oh, there we go. So there you go. Whether what we're not, motherfucker. That is the message that we're putting out there. That is the correct message.
Wow.
Okay, so again, all we're doing this just so we can feel comfortable with the flow. It needs to be second nature. We cannot waste time like figuring stuff out and stuff like that. We got this. This is it. Now we could share each other's code and upload the code that we need to do, and we're good. Okay, so from 1 to 8, I mean from 1 to 10, you guys should be like at 8 or a 9 or a 10, right? Yeah, no,
Yeah.
win. Okay, so you guys should be solid. Beautiful. Okay, so no, I think this was a very important session, and that's it. From here on out, whenever I say, hey, make this change and put it on the website, or hey, get latest, or merge this, or do whatever, you guys should be able to take care of it. Is that fair? Does that make sense?
Totally.
Okay, so by Thursday, I'm gonna be working on actual, because a lot of the stuff that we're working on now, it has to have some kind of, what is that thing that classes follow? It's like a book. Curriculum. Yes. An actual legit curriculum for certain things, certain topics. So I will be working on that. And we're gonna start the project. So overall, well, I'm gonna post it on the website, but overall, we're gonna have a main a main page. This is gonna be our main page here. This is gonna be our main page. Man, this shit's fast. It's gonna be our main page, but we're gonna have little areas. Like each one of us is gonna have an area or a controller or something that just is gonna be like /Dan or /Dave or something. And that is, each one is gonna have, you're gonna have your own playground for projects or whatever you want in there. And again, it's powerful because it's application. Anything you do in there will run and it's connected to a database because we have access to the database. So soon you're gonna have pretty much the fingertip, the world at your fingertips. It's power. And we're gonna have the main one, which I'm gonna be working on a little bit, and we're gonna be improving it over time. And that's where kind of like the main links are gonna be, I guess. I have no clue how it's gonna be or what it's gonna look like, but we're gonna build it over time with the knowledge that we're gonna be getting. It's gonna look like crap at the beginning, and it's not gonna have a lot, but we will we'll get there. The first thing we're gonna be doing, of course, is probably a character creator, character editor, roster, and this it's gonna be more legit. It's not gonna be no flimsy shit. It's gonna be a little bit better. And each of you is gonna work on different parts, most likely, and that's cool because you have to make sure that it works and that it works with other people's code and all that good stuff. So get ready. Okay, so how you guys feel about that? You guys pumped? You guys ready?
Pumped.
Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is it. All right, so we are done for today. I shall stop recording.